Hi, I'm Barb Steinberg, teen life coach for girls, parent coach, and speaker on teen girl issues. Today I want to talk to you for just a minute about privacy. Offering privacy to our adolescents is very empowering to them because it is such a desire as you grow older to want and need privacy. And I love the idea of letting them know, giving them, this is what I think is so empowering, giving them the power to choose when they want to share something with us. So not that we can force them to say anything anyway, but I love giving them the message of, I want to give you your privacy. And I also want you to know that I'm available anytime if you want to discuss this with me. Or, I know that you need your privacy on this and I want to respect that. And I also want you to know that I love you and I care about you and I'm here to listen anytime you want. And I might even add, and what I mean by listening is that I'm really going to listen with my ears and I won't give you any advice or opinions unless you ask for them. That might be the deal breaker right there. If they hear that, then they might really decide to open up. This is a message about respecting privacy and being available to listen or discuss it. This is a message I think that needs to be repeated over and over and over. Not too much so that they, we drive them crazy, but enough that they really get it, that we mean it, and that they can feel like, wow, I really do have an adult in my life that's in my corner that really is going to be really respectful of me and really cares. So I know that they know that in their hearts, but sometimes it's really nice for them to hear it out of our mouths too. So hopefully this has been helpful. And if so, I hope that you'll sign up for our monthly newsletter on barbsteinberg.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Barb Steinberg LMSW, Advice for Parents of Teen Girls. Have a great day.